Y'all, it's cold outside. That means it's winter here in New York. But guess what? It's restaurant week. Here is your boy Erick Jhon from Erick Jhon's World and Flavors of New York. And I'm here with my boy Harry from Flava of the Bronx.
Hi, how are you, Eric?
How long have y'all been here?
Well, I've been here at least 8 years now.
Nice. I actually went to school up the block. Well, let's walk through the menu. What can we expect here at Flava?
At Flava, we actually carry a variety of food, which is like oxtail, jerk chicken, rasta pasta. We also have salmon, which is one of our main sellers.
You're talking my language. You know, I'm Dominican, I'm Caribbean, so it's, I'm excited. I understand that you're part of New York City's Restaurant Week this year.
Yes, and previous years before, we've been a part of New York Restaurant Week.
Okay, so I see you guys are offering the Caribbean fritters, flavored oxtail, jerk splash salmon. Oh my God. I'm seeing it's only $45 per person. And that includes a 60-minute bottomless flavor punch.
The thing about Flava of the Bronx, we try to be very competitive with our prices and also try to make the prices be affordable for our community.
Yo, we are about to do my favorite thing. We gonna eat. We're gonna have some of the items from the Prix menu. I wanna thank Harry so much for having us here.
You're welcome, man.
Y'all gotta come here. Y'all gotta come here. It's not flavor, it's flavor, so you already know. I'm Erick Jhon from the Erick Jhon's World Show and Flavors of New York. I'll see you next time.